Hi, tech enthusiasts. Sorry for the long hiatus. Today, we will be unboxing the S9 Fe Plus. Let's start with the unboxing. The box contains the tablet, an S Pen, which you don't get with an iPad.
Yeah.
A USB-C to USB-C cable. Some documents, and a SIM ejector tool. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Fe Plus features a glass front, aluminum back, and aluminum frame, with plastic ends, boasting a larger 12.4-inch screen. Its construction includes IP68 dust/water resistance up to 1.5 N for 30 minutes, ensuring durability and reliability. The features are mentioned on the right side of the screen. Please pause the video to learn more.